Okay, the market's open. It's Monday, the 26th of September. We've got some sideways action after a general up overnight. Seem to be moving up. Have a nice bar for that indication. Nope, looks like still sideways. 144 is coming to centerline resistance. We're underneath on the 233. Still coming on a mile down, perhaps curling from underneath on 377. We came to resistance on 610. Looks like we've got a bull flag going on 987, 1597, and we're up on 4181. So could be going for long. We've got like a quadruple top going here. Yeah, that was probably a good trade because that was up over the 23 fib. Coming down to the 38 fib. Okay, we're looking pretty strong down right now. See if we get down to the 50, close below. Maybe we'll do a reversal there. Looks like a head and shoulders forming. Yes, that head and shoulders look like it worked. Up, now we're getting some reversal, maybe coming off the lower Keltner. We're on the rail now, down on 233. Got significant separation on 377, so but we got a 610 also down, pretty much on the rail, so we're still looking down. close below the 38 fib. Now we got a potential for a mid-band push, plenty of diversion on the 144. We got separation on 4181. BBs are still trailing up on 144. Looks like they're coming to the rail. Yeah, they're to the rail now. Could have a head and shoulders here. No, looks like we're going sideways for the moment. Had a long bar going down. Kind of a head fake, I guess. Coming up to Keltner center line again for a potential mid-band push. Yeah. Get a nice bounce off down on 610. So that was a nice mid-band push, but I didn't see a bar setup. Coming down to the 50 fib. Bouncing off the lower Keltner perhaps. Still coming down. Looks like we're going to get to that 50 fib and we'll have a potential for a reversal. We had a close below our 50 fib. Getting separation on 377, 377, 610. Still on the rail for 987. So we had a 2-bar reversal on the 50 fib. That would have been a nice trade perhaps. trend line plus the mid band on the Keltner are lining up pretty well. That's perhaps a good sign. Okay, we're going to pause, see if we come up with a setup. Okay, we had a 2-bar reversal, and we're coming from underneath on 610. He's still not buying it. We're close. Did pass. We're still in the mid band on the 610, which is a point of resistance. Here we're coming up. I think we're in a business for a long here if we get a bar set up. Okay, could have a reverse mid-band push here. We still have pretty strong down on the big charts. Looks like 377 is rolling over underneath on 610, so we got a potential for a long here. Got a bit of a head and shoulders going. So a pretty fair mid-band push. Oh, I was very tempted on going with that. Okay, we got a strong V on 233 for a down move. $41.81's kind of zigzagging. we've got some indication of sideways movement. We've got some mixed signals on the Bollinger Bands as to direction. Keltner looks sideways. .144 is on the rail down now. Getting separation under 610, so we could have a reversal coming up. .233 is coming to resistance, so this reversal may be in order. But we're not quite down to the 50. To the deeps on that, and we also have a double bottom here. Double bottom right here. Now we've punched through. Now coming right up to that double bottom. Two-bar reversal. Now we have a close at 50. Nope, not quite. Coming back up to mid-band, we have another opportunity for a mid-band push down. Lots of divergence. .4181 is pointing up, but everything else is pretty much pointing down on the Bollinger Bands. Go. Feel like we've got some missed opportunities. Some movement from underneath on 144. No, looks like we're still on the rail with 377. lots of separation underneath now with 610, 987 coming to the rail on 1597. Pretty strong move down on 4181. Could have a bounce off the mid band on the 1597. Coming to the mid band and the 68 fib, excuse me, 61 fib at the same time. So that's double indication that there could be a reversal here. Also at the bottom of the 144 Keltner. But we got pretty strong down indication. Looks like the 144 is going to go down to the 38 fib, excuse me, 61 fib before it might reverse. Our trend line is holding pretty well. Oops. Just kind of meandering down. Actually, it's a strong trend, isn't it? Getting separation now on 233, 377, 610. Everything's getting separation. Could have a reversal here. We had a close under the 68 fib. A 2-bar reversal there. Wow. Getting a lot of excitement in the market. Quick moving pricing. Got a bounce off on 377. I call that a ricochet. I think that's appropriate. I live in Texas. Okay. Got a triple bottom forming on 144, and we punch through that. sure what this line is. Get rid of it. Got kind of a crazy looking foot on 144. Separation on our charts. Could have a reversal coming. There's a nice 2-bar reversal. Wow. It had a big V, strong V under 233. 610 is coming to the rail underneath. 233 is moving up now. This could be a trend change. That 144 foot seems to be kicking in. Got separation on the 144 foot already though. Coming up to resistance on 233. Could have a reversal coming. Be nice if we were down to the 76 fib. $41.81 is coming down to resistance on lower Bollinger. Ah. 233's getting into resistance area on the upper Bollinger. Oh, it looks like it's popping above. We had a nice 2-bar reversal. I think it's time to take a long.
Order pending.
Oh, missed that.
Order filled.
Okay, we got a trade on. Six tens starting to come up from underneath, so we got a potential for a good trade. All right. Let's see how we do. We're coming up to the mid band on the 444 Keltner. Need to punch through the 377 upper band. Got a 2-bar reversal here. Doesn't look good.
Stop filled.
Okay. We took our chances. My tendency would have been to take those 10 ticks, but I'm getting a lot of encouragement to go for the longer trades, so I'm a little torn between there. I think my strategy should be to take 10 ticks on the first trade, get a decent winner under my belt. Perhaps that's the best strategy for me at this point. Okay, let's regroup. We had a real nice head and shoulders formation here. Had one over here too. We've had a number of them. So if this is a good head and shoulders, we expect that to go further down. Let's see if that happens. Here we got a nice little head and shoulders here, and foot forming. I think we've got a short setting up here.
Order pending. Order filled.
So our target now is 43.8. There, we'll give it one tick difference. Still looking pretty good with the indicators. 144 is down on the rail, 237 down on the rail, coming down with 377. All the indicators are showing down, so hopefully we'll get down to the target, 643.9.
Stop filled.
Okay, we got stopped out, but we had a healthy gain today. Let's see how many. How we did. Okay, orders, comp performance, trades. Okay. Okay, that was a break even on the first one. And on the second. Why don't they show me the money? Anyway, it's 45.4, 46. That's 17 ticks. I haven't reached my 2-point limit or 2-point target yet. So I'll keep trading. I was hoping to sign off at that point, but nope. Alright, notice that the head and shoulders did work out. We did get down to the level. Had I not followed my stop so closely, I would have met my target. don't think I should be disappointed when I hit 17 ticks. I don't think that should be a disappointment. Okay, we've got separation underneath on the big charts. Actually, just about all the charts now. And we're below our 76 fib, so that's a hot area. Might well have a reversal here. Plenty of separation for one. There's a move up. Looks like we're coming from underneath on the 144. I think that's an opportunity for a long, but we might want to wait for a pullback. Okay, we got a double bottom here at 642.8, and we've punctured that. We're on the rail now with 233. Getting kind of a bulge on that, rather that was 377 getting a bulge on 233. Still moving down. Let's see. A strong trend down. Okay, we're getting a pop up, a 2-bar reversal there. 610 is starting to show a little life on the upside. Now coming down on that trend line, maybe it'll provide support. Nope. More strong down. Wow, we are need a auga on this submarine. Now we're down to our 81 fib. Rather. Gotta mark those things because I'm forgetting my numbers. Okay, we had a dual bottom here. Some indication of an up on 233. 610 still got separation. Everything's got separation. Well, 4181's really strong down. Could be on the rail. Okay, I'm going to pause. I see we did a nice reversal at the 76 fib on the 1597. Closed right below it and then did a reversal with a baby bar. Two-bar reversal. And now we're looking like a pretty strong up. All the small charts have turned up. We're waiting for the 1597 and 4181 to turn up. They've both got separation. Could have a reverse mid-band push here. I think we'll go with that.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, 1597 starting to turn up. Still have pretty strong up on short charts. Could be rolling over on the 144 BBs. Okay, there we go. We're making a little hay now. Okay, our target should be let's try this. Right up there, 648. We got a two-bar reversal. I don't want to lose my nice gain on this. Okay, we got a two-bar reversal. I'm going to come out.
Target filled.
Okay, so I thought that was a good indicator of a place to exit, even though we didn't reach our target. Okay, now our trades. On that last one, we came out ahead at 643.8 to 645.1. So that's 43.53. Excuse me, 43.44 plus 3. That's another 13. So that puts me well over my 2-point goal. I'm very happy for the day. Thanks to Blue Melee and the others at Big Mike Trading. See you tomorrow.